Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Rage. First, each of 2 to 4 players selects a Viking clan, taking their clan sheet, 7 warrior figures, 1 leader, 1 ship, and a rage token. The game board is then prepared, placing the Yggdrasil tree in the center and distributing province tokens. Each player places their rage token on the 0 space of the rage track. Finally, the Doom token is placed on the first age space of the age track, signaling the start of your epic saga. Every age kicks off with a crucial card drafting phase. Each player receives 6 cards, selects one, and passes the rest, repeating this until all cards are drafted. These cards offer powerful upgrades, quests, and battle tactics. During the action phase, players spend their limited rage to perform actions like invading provinces with their figures, moving them around the board, pillaging rich territories for rewards, or upgrading their clan with new abilities and monsters. Strategic rage management is key. Combat erupts when a province is pillaged and multiple clans have figures present. Players simultaneously reveal battle cards, adding their card's strength to their figure's base strength. The highest total strength wins, earning the pillage reward and glory. Losing figures can also grant glory. Throughout the game, players can spend rage to play upgrade cards, enhancing their warriors, leaders, and ships, or even recruiting powerful monsters that offer unique abilities and boost their combat prowess. At the end of each age, players score glory for completing secret quests they drafted. Glory is also earned throughout the game by winning battles, successfully pillaging provinces, and even having your figures destroyed in combat. The game concludes after 3 ages. Final scoring involves adding up glory from completed quests, the value of all played upgrade cards, and the positions on the rage and horn tracks. The player with the most glory at the end is crowned the ultimate Viking champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.